So hello and good morning to everyone. So our today's lead code question is 3838, which is weighted word mapping. So basically in this question we are given an array of string named as word, where each string represents a word containing all the lowercase English letters, right? And with that we are also given an integer array weights, which contains the weights of all the characters from A to Z, right? And then the weight of a word is basically the sum of weight weight of all its characters, right? And what we need to do is we need to take each word, then take its total weight. Then what, suppose we get the total weight as w, then we have to do w modulo 26, right? So we get a value less than equal to 25 from it, right? And then we have to map this result to a lowercase English letter, right? Using the reverse of alphabetical order. That means if w modulo 26 is 0, then the character is z. If it is 1, then the character is y, and so on. Let's say if it is 25, then the character is a. So basically what we need to do is we need to convert a whole word into one character, right? And at the end we have to form a string. And then return that string, right? So let's see an example. So this is the words array that are given to us, and we have the weights array. So the first word that we have is a b c d. So first of all what we'll do is we'll find the sum of the weights. So a b c d. So 5 plus 3 plus 12 plus 14, which is equal to 34. Then the next thing that we do is 34 modulo 26, so that is 8. So we get our remainder is 8. Now we have to map this remainder to the character in reverse order, right? So s t u v w x y z. So 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, sorry, 4 5 6 7 and 8. So 8 is basically maps to r. So we get our first character r. So we make our answer string, the first characters are r. Then in the next we have def. So their sum is, that is 14 plus 1 plus 2, that is 17. Then 17 modulo 26, it will be 17 only. And when we map this 17, we get I. So now our answer string has become ri, right? Then we have the third string xyz. So the total weight of xyz is 7 plus 7 plus 2, 7 plus 7 plus 2, which is 16. And 16 modulo 26 is also 16. And when we map this, we get j. So we get our whole string as rij. So we return this string as the answer. So let's see the constraints. So in the words length, we have total 100 words, and at max each word can have a has 10 characters. At max each word has 10 character. And then there are in the weights array we have 26 elements. That is the weight of all the elements from A to Z. And each weight value can be anything from 1 to 100, and all the words consist in lowercase English letters. So let's move to the approach part. So basically for every word what we need to do, for every word we need to generate one character, right? And in this process we have three things. First thing, we need to calculate the total weight of that word. Then we have to do weight modulo 26, let's say it be remainder. And then using this remainder we have to map this r to some character using reverse mapping, right? That is, we map 0 to z, 1 to y in the reverse order, right? In the reverse order we map the remainder to the character. And now let's say our remainder is r. Then our mapping will be z minus r, z minus r. That is, if r is equal to 0, if r is equal to 0, then we get z minus 0, that is equal to character as z. If r is equal to 1, then we get z minus 1. So ASCII value of z, when we subtract ASCII value of 1 from ASCII value of z, we get the ASCII value of y. So we get the character y. So once we get our remainder, then our mapped character will be z minus r, right? So we get our mapped character in big O one time. So now let's try to understand the whole process with the help of an example. So we have taken this words array, so we get a b c d. So we have three steps. First find the weight, then do weight modulo 26, then we get our remainder r, and then we find the mapped character using z minus r. So here total weight is 34, weight modulo 26, weight modulo 26, that is r is equal to 8, we get r is equal to 8, and then mapped character z, that is z minus r, is character r. So we get our first character r. Then the next string that we have is def. So weight of def is 17, then 17 modulo 26 is same 17, so our r is equal to 17. So our mapped character is I, so we get answer is equal to ri. Then this way we will do for all the strings, and at the end we get our answer string and return that string. So let's see the code part. In the code part we have taken a string answer, and then what we are doing is we are taking every word, from the array words, and then we find the sum, of all the characters, or we find the total weight of the word. Once we get the word, we find sum modulo 26, let's say that is r, and then to map the character we are doing modulo z minus r. So we map the character and push that mapped character into the answer string, and at the end we return our answer. So I hope I am able to explain you the solution properly. So if you like the video, please make sure to like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you.